Oh my god, a moped. Oh god, I hate mopeds. Sorry bro, no offense, but you're not riding with me. Not to seem like a dick, I promise. I'm not like a hater on people, I promise. But like when it comes to mopeds, now correct me if I'm wrong, the money you're using to buy the moped, isn't that like a decent down payment still on like a street bike? Like an actual street motorcycle? Like a decent little down payment? Maybe even like a 300. I'm just saying. Did you just try to fucking rev that? What's that, 50? That was funny. That guy's goofy, I like it. I haven't done this yet. Let's try and not drive like a total asshole today. Or should I say ride like a total asshole today? Be nice and smooth. No problems. Nice. Oh, he's a member. What does that say? First time I've seen that patch before. There you go. There's two of them. Nice little chill ride. Oh, here's a good opportunity. Ah, I can't. Something is wrong with it. It's almost like I can't get it up anymore. Not like that, just my bike, not my... You guys are gonna get your head out of the gutter. Thank you. The dude got scared. I gotta rewind that. You okay, bro? See, this guy's cool. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. tar snakes. I think I tightened up my shoes too much. They're pretty fucking tight. I get some air in my tires. .40 PSI. Never hurts to double check these little bastards. Damn, it's already at 32. Ouch. That's not very good. One down, one to go. Son of a bitch, I can't get it in there. Well, that one was over PSI. This means my rear was good. Why can't I get this on there? Bruh! It's not fucking difficult. God damn, I was turning it the wrong way the whole time. Stupid. The pump hoe. I didn't do it. Swear I didn't do it. I've been here the whole time. So one of the main reasons I'm going out tonight is, or going out and riding right now, is because of my gloves. I figured I'd do a last ride for my gloves. They definitely deserve it. Like a tribute to these gloves. I love these BiLT gloves. They're just a little old and they're definitely torn apart. They're just not gonna last much longer, and I really don't want to be in a wreck with these on. Mainly because, well, they're not going to hold up as well as they normally would. It is if they were new or, only used a little bit. These are definitely broken in and used. One of the best gloves I've ever gotten, though, in terms of comfort and all-around safety. I mean, they're not exactly the best. I definitely would recommend BiLT to really anybody, honestly. There's always better out there, but no, it's still decent gear. So this is a tribute ride to my purple motorcycle gloves. And say I can't do U-turns here, so flipping a Yui. Oh my god. What a shithole. Hope I don't pop my fucking tires. People have definitely been here recently. I'm feeling some food right now. Definitely feeling some grub. God damn, I suck at that. What am I doing wrong? It seemed like my bike had so much more power and I just lost it overnight. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Oh, that's what's happening. I'm not pulling in the clutch enough when I do that. Wonder what's happening. Nice. So usually when I do this, I kind of get stuck having to worry about residential housing, because let's say I want to go down that road that goes maybe like back to a main road. No, psych, that's a dead fucking end. You can't go down that way. This road ended up a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. I love it.